Welcome. In this presentation, we're going to explore the basics of language, programming languages, and how Python stands out in the world of computing. Let's start our journey from understanding what language is, all the way to why Python is so important in today's technology landscape. Here's what we'll cover. What is a language? What is a programming language? What language do computers really use? What makes Python special, and where does it fit in? And finally, why choose Python? Let's break down each topic together. Language is at the heart of how we communicate. It's the way we share ideas and information with each other. In this section, we'll look at what language means and why it's so important for communication. Language is a structured system for communication. It helps people express their thoughts, feelings, and ideas effectively in many different situations. Whether we're talking face-to-face or writing a message, language helps us connect. There are two main types of language. Natural languages, like English or Spanish, grow naturally among people. Artificial languages, like programming languages, are created for specific tasks, such as coding or logical reasoning. Let's talk about how computers really communicate. They use binary machine code, which is a special language made up of only zeros and ones. We'll see how this works, and how compilers and interpreters help bridge the gap between human and computer languages. Computers use binary, just zeros and ones, to represent electrical states, like off and on. This simple language lets computers follow instructions directly, using machine code that controls their hardware. Programming languages are special artificial languages designed so we can give instructions to computers. We'll look at their definition, how they interact with hardware, and see some examples. A programming language uses formal commands and rules, called syntax, to tell computers exactly what to do. Developers write software with these languages so computers can perform tasks. Programming languages turn human-friendly code into machine instructions. This happens through compilation or interpretation, which translates what we write into something computers can understand, so they can carry out specific actions. Compilers and interpreters are important tools. Compilers change your whole program into machine code before running it, which makes things fast. Interpreters translate code line by line as it runs, so you can spot mistakes quickly and fix them. Some well-known programming languages are Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Python is loved for being easy and flexible. Java is great for big business apps. C++ is used for fast and powerful programs, and JavaScript makes websites interactive. Now, let's focus on Python. Python is a flexible, easy-to-read programming language. We'll learn about its history, and see why it's called a high-level language, and what that means for people who use it. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, and first released in 1991. It was designed to make programming simpler and easier to read. Over time, Python has become popular for many different types of projects in lots of industries. High-level languages like Python make coding easier by hiding complex hardware details, so more people can learn and use them. Low-level languages give you more control over the hardware, but need deeper technical skills. Python is a high-level language because its syntax is easy to read, almost like natural language. It handles things like memory and hardware for you, so you can just focus on solving problems with code. So, why do so many people love Python? Python has powerful features, works in lots of situations, and has a strong community. Let's look at what makes Python so popular. Python is simple and easy to read, with a huge collection of libraries to help you get things done faster. It works on lots of operating systems, and lets you use different programming styles, which makes it great for beginners and experts. Python is used all over, for building websites, doing data science and artificial intelligence, automating tasks, scientific computing, and teaching people how to code. It's versatile and makes a big impact in many fields. Python's community is amazing. People contribute libraries, frameworks, and tools, and share resources to help everyone learn and solve problems. This keeps Python growing and getting better all the time. To join Python batch, WhatsApp, p variable on given number. To promote the learning, like, share the video and subscribe to our YTTA learning channel.